Hey there! Are you a manufacturing business looking to boost efficiency and control costs? Let's talk about Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, implemented by Creative Software Consultancy Services. This all-in-one ERP solution is designed to streamline your operations and give you deep insights into your manufacturing costs. Imagine having a single platform where you can manage everything: financials, sales, service, purchases, operations, and of course, manufacturing. Business Central offers comprehensive tools for production planning, inventory management, and shop floor control. But what sets it apart are its robust costing capabilities. With Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, you can track, analyze, and control costs at every stage of production. Need to use standard costing? No problem. Prefer FIFO or average costing? It's got you covered. You can even assign specific costs to high-value or custom items. The system's flexibility allows you to tailor it to your specific manufacturing needs. Define bills of materials, routings, plan production schedules, and monitor work orders, all while keeping a close eye on costs. The automatic consumption journal records materials used, while the capacity journal logs labor and machine usage. And it's not just about costing. Business Central integrates your entire operation with modules for financial management, sales and marketing, supply chain management, project management, service management, and more. Plus, it comes with forecasting to help you make smarter decisions. Now, let's talk about why you should choose Creative Software Consultancy Services. With our deep expertise and experience, we customize the implementation to fit your unique business needs. Our team of Microsoft-certified professionals is dedicated to providing cost-effective solutions and top-notch support. So, are you ready to take control of your manufacturing costs and drive growth? Contact Creative Software Consultancy Services today for consultation. Call us at 0657-220-0021 or 977-1417021. Email us at info@cscsindia.com or visit www.cscsindia.com. Let's transform your manufacturing with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central.